Hi friends, and welcome to Frappé de Folie. Today we'd like to show you how to spit clean your microwave. Okay, let's give a look at the microwave. It has food residues, breadcrumbs and some spills. So we're going to clean it with some vinegar. So you can put the vinegar in a glass, pour it everywhere on the counter also. Then you should put the glass with the vinegar in the microwave and let it run for a minute. At the end, open the microwave. Be careful not to burn yourself. Check if it's too hot. Use a cloth, otherwise you can take the glass out. And then you start scrubbing with a microfiber cloth. Put the plate of the microwave in hot soapy water and keep scrubbing, scrub, and take everything out. Don't forget to clean the inside of the microwave door and also the outside. Carefully on the handle and the buttons. And voila! Everything is finished. Reassemble everything. This is the hardest part, as you can see. There, I can make it. Yes, I can. Ta-da! You have a very clean microwave now. I hope you enjoyed the video. As you can see, it's very quick to clean the microwave. You should do it at least once a week so it doesn't get too grimy. If you enjoyed the video and if you would like to get more videos like this one, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Bye!